Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Asana intake forms for streamlined To update Asana intake forms for streamlined requests, start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project where your intake form is located. Click on the project title in the sidebar to open it. Locate the intake form option in the project toolbar. Select the Forms tab to view your existing intake forms. Identify the form you want to update and click on it. Review the current fields and layout of the form. Decide which information needs to be added or modified. To add a new field, click on the plus Add Field button. Choose the type of field that best fits the information you want to collect. Label the field clearly to ensure users understand its purpose. If necessary, set the field as required to ensure key information is provided. To modify an existing field, click on it to edit the label or settings. Make sure the changes align with your team's request process. To rearrange fields, simply drag and drop them into the desired order. After making your updates, check the preview of the form. Ensure that the layout looks clean and user-friendly. Once satisfied with the updates, click the Save button to apply your changes. Next, share the updated form link with your team or stakeholders. Communicate the changes made to ensure everyone is on the same page. Monitor how the updated form is being used for any further adjustments. Regularly revisit the form to keep it effective and efficient over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.